Hey, and welcome to the Shave Tank. After my last leathering video, I got another request that said, well, Tank, you leathered good and it was all fine, but you used the Proraso and it's almost like a cream and you know. How do I do this with a hard soap? Okay, so for demonstration purposes today we are going to use a hard soap, which is the L'Occitane Cadet. Soap in this silver bowl is the soap, and this soap is really hard. And you can see it's not wet or something, there is nothing in there, so I'm not pre-blooming it or tricks you can use for hard soaps. No, this is dry, stone hard. So we're going to use this, and we're going to use the Omega S brush because it's easy and cheap to get. And we're going to lather this up, especially for you guys who think it can't be done. It's very easy. I'll show you. First of all, I'm going to put this aside just a second. As you know, I'm going to bowl leather. I have here my mug, and so you see I'm not cheating or anything. This mug is full with hot water. I sprinkled hot water on my belly. Okay. Yeah. Accidents can happen. So this is full with hot water. I'm going to ditch the hot water out now in the sink. So this mug is nice and warm. And for me this helps making the leather better. But your mileage may vary. So, going to take the soap, still nothing in there, hard as stone. Take the brush, no pre-watered. Just dip it in the water, put the water out, a little more, too much water, that's okay, and then we go in there. Load it like you hate it. Hard soaps tend to get a little fluffy at the top, as you can see here. So there is some stuff that goes out of the sides. Yeah, I don't care. Just keep on going. Load it up. Going to overload a little bit. And so you see that I'm not cheating or anything, because there are some Nazis out there. This is the loaded brush. I'm going to take this, put it aside. Over there, this is still the brush. Brush stays in camera. Just going to wash off my hand here, because I got a little messy on my hand. Brush, empty mug. And as you can see, waves, too dry. We're going to dip this in. Still a little bit too dry. Dip it in again. And here we go. Foam explosion incoming. Lots of foam. And that's the consistency I want. And that's it. Going to lather this up for you. And as you can see, really creamy, pasty consistency here. Absolutely excellent leather. And lots of it. Very easily, very slick. So you get a good gliding of the razor. And actually the L'Occitane KD, one of the soaps that is absolutely awesome in performance also. So, and that's it. I'm going to wash off my hands here. So you see, even with a hard soap, no problem. Just stick to the plan. Load the brush, then warm the mug, load the brush, lather it up. Of course, with the hard soap there is a little bit of a mess around here. You can also put this off and take this and put it in a mug if you don't want to waste something, or put it in your face to soften up your facial hair before you start to lather or whatever. So yes, the hard soaps, sometimes like this one, tend to make a little bit more of a mess, but yeah, that's fine. Just stick to the plan. If it makes these waves and this flaky sensation, add more water. Then when it's ready and it's creamy and you get this foam explosion, then you're good to go. And that's it. So really nothing to it, nothing to be afraid on using soaps instead of creams. Not that creams are bad, I love creams. The Spike here is a cream I use all the time. This is half empty already again. And so, yeah. Whatever you like, whatever you makes you happy. And keep to the plan. And if you're gonna shave, shave like a tank. See you soon. High five, as always. And next time on Shave Tank, I hope to see you again. Bye bye.